Good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to share thread on Instagram story. Okay, first things first, make sure you have switched to the Instagram account you want to share your thread on. Then, come back to the Threads app and post the thread you want to share. Press post, and once it's posted, click on the share icon on that thread. You'll see options to add to story, post to feed, and tweet. Just click the add to story one and Instagram will open. It will say Instagram pasted from threads. Add any text, stickers, or filters you like and then press your story to post it to your story. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now share thread on Instagram story. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.